This content is entirely fictional. Do not imitate.
Hey, I'm feeling bored.
Let's watch a movie then.
Which one?
The Minecraft movie.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no, I forgot my wallet. Can you wait?
When will he come? But I'm sick of it. I'll be going home. What? Who did this? Oh, new or oh?
Well, you are back.